Well, here's a look at this D104 microphone cable that I soldered up a few hours ago. And I'm happy with how this turned out. And why am I happy? Because this cable has a braid, as you can see, and it's a fine line between soldering this braid onto this plug without burning all the wires inside. And so you get a really nice fit right here when you solder the braid on. I used to crimp a long time ago, 30 years ago, I used to crimp the rubber onto this and it would always come off and then the wires would stretch and break. And I've always envied when I saw these things soldered like this, when someone was skillful enough to solder the braid onto the plug the way this has been done now. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. I mean, this isn't a great strain relief, but maybe it's going to be good enough for a while. And of course, on the Drake and any rig, you want to put the microphone in the center because when you would pull the mic in and out, if the mic was here, it would pass over the center conductor, which would have voltage in it for keying the radio, and that might damage the mic. So I had wired this thing stupidly before. I had figured the mic was going to be here, and actually the mic goes here. So I had to switch this red wire and white wire around. It didn't come out that beautiful after I switched them because I had to melt and had to move them, but I guess it's good enough for now. So we'll try this mic out on the Drake TX4B and see how it works. Gotta put it back together and put a battery into it. See what happens. Okay, well, that's about it. So we're wiring up a Drake with a D104. The ground goes here, the mic audio goes here, and the keying voltage or keying ground goes there. That's about it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.